Go ahead. Eli, you want to put some dirt on it?
It's a bird.
What do you want to say?
I just like to see it. Well, my dog. I was taking the dog out, and then I looked around back at the back of the garage, and this bird was just standing there. And then my dog came over, and then the bird was still standing there. And then she looked at it, and after a few minutes, the bird tried to fly away. And then my dog pounced on it. And then, well, it was still laying there, and it was just, I still saw it twitching his beak, and at first I thought, like, this was something amazing, but then I thought, it stopped moving, and then I tried to make it come awake, and then, well, I touched the bottom of its beak, and then I found out that I'll try to say it this is the nicest way as I can. It moved on. It went to God, and it made a better home. And I would just like to say, if it was male or female, it's the circle of life. And the circle of life brings more and more things on earth, more than anything else in the entire world.
What's that in your hand? Where are you going to put that?
See the shovel?
That was nice.
a very beautiful life.